Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. This is Kurt from Fermentation Adventures. I'm going to do a super quick unboxing of the new Oktober BenchMK can seamer that I ordered in November, right around Black Friday, and I got about a week ago, just before Christmas, and I haven't opened it yet, so I figured I'd take a quick peek inside the box, see what's in there, and so let's get started. As you can see here, it's a fairly smallish box. I don't know, it's about, what's that, 10 by 24 or so. I don't know, not good at estimating, but let's open this guy up here, see what's inside. Hopefully it didn't do any damage. Let's see. All right, here we go. Right on top, we have a label that is glued into the cardboard. Which is a nice touch. I guess it doesn't turn around and it's not going to get completely destroyed. Actually, the illustration on here is, yeah, that's the right one. Sorry, got thrown off by the handle. Nice little color manual. Cool, with important things like seam inspection and everything else. All right, let's see what else we got. This is the base extension. Hardware and grease. Our handle. Couple of hex keys, hex wrenches, Allen keys, whatever you grew up or whatever you call them. And here is the seamer itself. Away goes the box. You can see arrived with a can inside. I guess can test seamed in here. There's a little hex up top. That's it with the seamer. All right. A fully seamed can. I guess it was tested. Cool. Looks good. The different chucks, or the main chuck. So yeah, I guess you would remove this maybe, or I don't know. I guess you would remove this for a 16-ounce can, put it on for a 12-ounce can, because that's what the test was seamed on. And that is pretty much it. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Popped it on. Again, the thing I really like about this comes shipped with the main guard itself. And yeah, of course you can use different drills for it. I think I'm gonna try at least to start with this right angle drill, simply because I know this is not the necessarily the side you would run it. I can put it here on the camera here. As you can see, the has a nice big trigger on it, and it should be much easier to run it and actually seam the can than with your normal drill. So yeah, that's about it. Let me quickly try to put it together. I think to actually put it together, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, and it looks like the installation is very straightforward. As you can see, there's just a supporting brace. Here in the paper itself, there is 2 screws and a little bit of petrol gel lubricant. I'll put that over to one side. So if you can quickly see, right, so the base here, this is the only separate part. Quickly, you can see here there's a notch here and there's a notch on either side. you just locate it in, and then it's simply a screw on either side. So if I turn this, you can see here, you can see the hole. Let's do the big one first. Let's try it again. Got the other side in. It does take a little bit of play with trying to get it aligned correctly. So, trying to do it quick on camera. Oh, neat. Yeah, see, once you get it adjusted and lined up, it's perfectly fine to get it in, get it started. So, there you go. Snug that up. All right, as you can see here, I'll snug up the other side here too. I just had hand tightened it before. Or not terribly tight. And now I can do the back here. You can see this is certainly hand tight. And there you are. Oh, nice. Comes with rubber installed on the back. And as you can see here, all right, the handle goes in here. All right, it goes screwed in here. And that's it. All right, here you can see it's all put together, ready to go. Just need to attach the drill and run some cans. We're gonna try, I'll try this out and share my thoughts and probably some video of this guy in action.